still wouldn't be out on the mound yet. There's a plane coming down onto the field, folks, right now. We got a crazy landing going on. Here it comes right onto the field, right behind the field. And it's on fire. No way did that just happen, folks. And everybody running over there now to see if they can help somebody. My goodness. Yeah, be careful because we saw some flames go up. You don't want that thing to blow up over there. What a crazy event, folks. We're so used to seeing the planes here, so it didn't seem like much, and then it just got real close. Oh, boy. And where's Clay Johnson going to out there? He's trying to get a better look over that part of the fence. I can't believe what we just saw here, folks. That did not look well, obviously, having to make some sort of emergency landing and try to put it down on the field, I think. Todd's saying he sees somebody that's come out of the plane and looks to be moving. Wow, what an unbelievable occurrence right here.